On the board, you have evaluate 1011 base 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 101 base 2 raised to the power of 2. This, if you watch, is being squared, all squared. Now, how should you deal with this question? First of all, you multiply, we need to multiply this by itself to get the given value. We multiply this by itself to get its value. Then the value of this after being multiplied will be subtracted from the value of this after being multiplied. Now let's multiply them. First of all, we say 1011 times 1011. We multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. Then we use our 1. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. So after that, we add. Remember, this is binary, base 2. Then when adding, we bring our 1 down. 1 plus 1 in binary is 10. 1 plus 1 in binary is 10. Now you ask me, why is 1 plus 1 10 in binary? I've explained this before in my previous video, but I will just do a rush. I'll just do a flashback and show you how 1 plus 1 is 10 in binary. You have 1 plus 1 is 10 in binary. How? First of all, your normal 1 plus 1 is your 2. 1 plus 1, your normal addition is 2. Now, because we are treating binary, now divide these 2 by the binary we're using. So we say 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. You see it now? So that's how we got our 10. You take the arrow up, 1, 0. That's how we got our 1 plus 1, 10. See it? That's how we got 1 plus 1, 10. So you won't be able to ask again how we got 1 plus 1, 10. It is being well explained on the board. So having done that, we'll move to the next one, which says, having done that, we'll move to the next one, which says your 1 plus 1, which is 10, you write down your 0, carry 1. Add the 1 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. You write down your 0 again, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Plus 0 is 10. Plus 0 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. So you write 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Plus 0, 10. Plus 1, 11 again. You write down 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 will give us 1. Then this one, you bring it together. So we've gotten the answer in base 2. For the first value. We've gotten it for the first value. Now the next one, let's move to the second value. The second value of it. The second value. For the second value, we have these. We multiply together. We have 101 times 101. We multiply. You say the 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then after doing that, we use the next 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. We use the 1. Next one, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. We add. You bring down your 1. You bring down your 0. 1 plus 1 is 10. You write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. You bring down your 1. So we've gotten the values I've gotten the values of this, and as well gotten the values of this. So after this, what will be the next thing after this? What will be the next thing? After, remember I told you, first we get the value of this, which is this. We get the value of this, which is this one. Now we subtract this one from this. Now, let's subtract it first. In subtracting it, the highest number will come here, which is 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have your 0, 0, 1. You have your 1, 1, 1, 1. Then the next one is this. You start from behind, which is the 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Check it out. Base 2. Remember, you're subtracting. Now let's subtract. 1 minus 1 in binary is 0. You have your 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then nothing here, you bring down your 1. Nothing here, you bring down your 1. So our answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in base 2. Now, without wasting much time, you need to tap the subtraction button so that you can be able to have updates. You get updates, more updates on Mastery Maths in mathematics. Without tapping the subtraction button, whenever an update like this is being dropped, you won't be able to get it. So for you to be notified, you need to tap the subscription button and as well share to your friends that needs this.